Hi guys, welcome! Insert Anything is an advanced open-source image editing framework developed by a research team from Zhejiang University, Harvard University, and Nanyang Technological University. It's designed to give users precise control over seamlessly inserting elements like people, objects, or clothing from one image into another using either visual masks or simple text prompts. What sets Insert Anything apart is its unified approach. Traditionally, image editing models are trained for specific tasks, like face swapping or virtual try-ons. But Insert Anything handles a wide range of editing scenarios using a single, unified framework. This includes use cases like meme creation, digital ad design, movie scene editing, fashion customization, and even pop culture art generation. The model preserves identity features and fine-grained details, like facial expressions, textures, and styles, while making the inserted content look like it naturally belongs in the target image. This is made possible through a powerful Diffusion Transformer, DIT, backbone with multimodal attention, which allows it to learn from both images and text simultaneously. Insert Anything introduces two editing modes. Mask-based editing, where users select where to insert content. Text-based editing, where the system understands and acts on descriptive language. The framework processes multiple input types, reference images, source images, and prompts through a frozen VAE encoder and DIT transformer blocks. These allow it to match context, style, lighting, and composition between the inserted object and the background scene. To train the model, the researchers created a large-scale dataset called Any Insertion, containing over 120,000 paired examples. These examples span common use cases like inserting furniture, people, accessories, and more, gathered from web images, videos, and multi-view shots. Insert Anything is fully open source and accessible to developers, artists, and researchers alike. It's available on GitHub with multiple usage options, command line tools, a user-friendly Gradio interface, and integration with ComfyUI. Importantly, the team offers both a high-performance version, 26 to 40 gigabytes VRAM, and a lightweight 10 gigabytes VRAM version based on Nunchaku, making it usable even on more modest hardware. Looking ahead, the team plans to release the full training code and upload the Any Insertion dataset to Hugging Face 2. It's an ideal tool for content creators, designers, advertisers, and anyone working with digital visuals. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.